Alright guys, welcome to brand new video. As you have already read the title that this is going to be a case study. This is a case study of how I will build a profitable online business in front of you guys, live on camera. I'm showing you everything you have to do in order to build a proper successful Shopify business, and I will scale that store to $1,000 per day in profits, not in sales, in profits. I will show you everything, how much is my profit, how much is the cost. So this is day one of my testing phase. I have found out a product, and let me show you. I got a one sale out of it, if you can see it properly. Otherwise I will show you in my dashboard real quick. Alright guys, welcome to my ad manager. The first and foremost important thing is to look into what I am doing. So the first day I created these three ad sets. The first day was 23 July. Mark it down because this is the creation of a six-figure stores. So this day I created one ad set at $7, another two at $10 each. Now what happened was that this one gave me a sale and also brought me a ROS of 9.93, which is great as of now in testing phase. We will later optimize it to better it more. Now the total ROS is yet 2.73, so I am still in profit after testing these products. Now for the next day I duplicated this ad set with $50 budget for US, and these three for another countries, Canada, Australia and United Kingdom. So these were the important things. Let me show you what else I did. Another thing is 45 sessions. That is great. Okay, so this is basically the admin stuff. Now when we come on to apps, you will be probably shocked to see this, that I have only one app installed. And for those of you guys who do not know about Lucky Orange, it is basically for capturing the screen recordings of the customers who come on your store. This basically helps us to identify where the customers are losing interest and when they are leaving the store, by which variable they are not interested in anymore. So we will find out later on in this case study, but for first important thing is you have to do the same thing. So what I did was I created a store, optimized it, yet I haven't installed any apps. So first of all you have to choose the right product, and even if you do most of the things wrong, the product will work for you and it will bring you sales. This is the conclusion of part 1. Product is the key. That's why I haven't installed any app, to prove my point that if you have a right product, you do not need any upsells, cross sells to go into profit. Yes, they will increase your profit, but if you do not get conversions on your store, how will you upsell them, cross sell them and more stuff? So basically this is very important, and to follow along, here is a homework for you. You have to come on my YouTube channel and you have to watch two videos which are very important. The first one is this. I have told about this, contains a strategy about product research and also store optimization. I have laid down everything I do and I have done in this store. Okay, there's another strategy for product research which I have created a video also on. You have to come here and watch this too, and it will also help you. So watch those two videos, implement the things and find your product. Now in the next upcoming videos I am going to scale this product, and if it doesn't work anymore, I will show you what steps to take and how to convert that losing ad set into. So before ending this video, I want to conclude one important thing. Now for that we have to come on ad manager. The thing is, when I created these ad sets, I would have done it with $3 budget, which I always teach. But if you have more budget, you can put in more budget into your ads, and that will work fine too. It doesn't matter if you put $3 or $10, as long as you get sales and get positive ROI, it's worth it. And if you do not have a great budget to test products out, you can always start with $3 or $5. It doesn't matter. But when you get sales and when you start testing this phase, you can double down or even triple down or 5 times the original budget of the ad sets you were testing, and you can create new ad sets completely, like I have done it over here, like this one. And I have scheduled 3 ad sets for different countries also for the same ad set interest, which I have already put. So I will show you how the things go in the next day, and make sure you stay tuned and follow my YouTube channel, where I will be sharing everything in this case study. So a lot of valuable stuff is about to come around. There we are going to go deep into Facebook advertisements, and basically more into testing and scaling phase of your products, which at the end of the day brings positive ROI. So make sure you have watched those two videos, and I will see you in the next one.